Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make strawberry strudel. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh strawberries, half a cup of sugar, and a squeeze of lemon juice for the vibrant filling. For the dough, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and a pinch of salt. Mix until a soft dough forms, then let it rest for 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial for a pliable dough. Now, let's prepare the delicious strawberry filling. Slice your 2 pounds of strawberries and gently toss them with half a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. This mixture will prevent the filling from becoming too watery. Next, stretch your rested dough. This is the fun part. On a floured cloth, gently pull and stretch the dough until it's almost transparent, roughly 20 by 30 inches. With your dough stretched thin, it's time to assemble. Lightly brush the entire surface of the dough with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Then, sprinkle about 1/4 cup of fine breadcrumbs over the buttered dough. This creates a barrier, preventing the filling from making the dough soggy. Now, spread your strawberry filling evenly over 2/3 of the dough, leaving a border on the edges. Almost there, gently lift the cloth to roll the strudel tightly, starting from the filled end. Carefully transfer it to a baking sheet, seam side down. Bake your strudel in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown. Let it cool for about 15 minutes, dust with powdered sugar, and serve warm for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.